How to hide or unhide your gender on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide or unhide your gender on the REDnote app. Whether you want to keep your profile anonymous or let people know more about you, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in so that we can get into your profile settings. Now just tap on your profile page at the bottom right corner to get to the Me section. And from here, just tap on Edit Profile to get to your profile settings. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your gender right here. Just tap on it, edit it or change it to your preference, and then make sure that this is toggled on to show it publicly on your profile. So if I just go back to my profile, as you can see, it will show my profile as male, this sign right here. And if you change it to female, you will be able to see another sign. So if I just go back here and change it to female, another sign will be shown on the profile like that. So that's pretty much it. If you want to hide it, just go ahead and toggle this off like this, and then you're good to go. I hope you found this helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get more REDnote tips and tricks, and I'll see you on the next video.